Hello. How do we classify triangles according to the sides and to the angle measurements? Now we're going to learn about this. Let's know first what is a triangle. A triangle is a two-dimensional, three-sided shape. So you just connect three line segments somehow to generate a triangle on a piece of paper. We can classify triangles by the angle measurements. And if a triangle has one 90-degree angle, it's called a right triangle. If it has one obtuse angle, so it's called an obtuse triangle. And if it has no right angle and no obtuse angle, so the three angles are acute angles, then it's called an acute triangle. The right triangles must have one angle that measures exactly 90 degrees. The obtuse angle should have one angle that measures more than 90 degrees, and more than 90 degrees means obtuse angle. And the acute triangles should have three angles that less than 90 degrees, all of them less than 90 degrees, or three acute angles. Now we're going to learn how to classify it by the side lengths. If the triangle has three equal side lengths, it's called an equilateral triangle. And if it has two equal side lengths, we can call it isosceles triangle. And if there is no equal side length, we call it a scalene triangle. The equilateral triangle has three congruent angles of 60 degrees and three congruent segments, whatever length is it. The isosceles triangles has two congruent line segments or two congruent sides. The scalene triangles has different measurement of the sides of um, the three of them, so none of them are equal to any other. So what kind of triangle is it? Yeah, we can clearly see that it has a right angle, so it's a right triangle, and there is no congruent sides, so it has a different length. So we call it a right scalene triangle. This one contains an obtuse angle, and it has two identical lengths, so we call it an obtuse isosceles triangle. This one has three acute angles and different side lengths, so we call it's an acute scalene triangle. So we have learned how to classify triangles based on their angles, based on their side length. So thank you so much for watching.